strategic approach. Chomp only has one speed, and that's slow. It's got those 6 walking legs, 500 pounds, which is legal if you are a full walking bot. No wheels on this baby.
Gamma 9 able to withstand that throw so far.
Nice! And Gamma 9 is taking Chomp for a ride. The question is, does it have enough power to push it around the battle box? Oh! Both bots staring each other down. There's that little flame.
Chomp using that flame almost like a deterrent, saying, "Don't come near me, Hijinks." And Hijinks trying to tempt that blade into firing it.
Oh! Hijinks probing, but Chomp staying patient for now. I feel like I'm watching a nature documentary and something bad's about to happen here.
Uh-oh. Oh! That stick-and-move strategy. They're waiting for that hammer to fire. And land a shot themselves.
Let the bot battle begin. Fusion leading with the horizontal, draws first blood. Oh, and Huge returns fire now. Uh-oh, Fusion's already seeing stars.
Oh no, oh no. Whoa! Reese Stewart in serious trouble here, Chris. Huge going in for more.
Oh, boy.
Wow!
Come on, fight me.
Huge wants action. Oh! Holy smokes! Huge lands an uppercut to the side of Bronco.
That shot split a piece of Bronco's top armor, Chris. Smart game plan from Jonathan Schultz.
When you're talking about damage, it's all about damage created by the primary weapon. That's the flipper on Bronco. It's that huge bar on Huge.
And it's got to be more than just cosmetic damage, and it seems that's what Huge has done to Bronco so far. Bronco scored some great flips, but they haven't seemed to slow Huge down or inflict any real damage. Bronco has to stay aggressive here.
Come on, guys, quit running.
Bronco trying to get another big shot and maybe rip off some armor.
Bronco trying to be precise with its angles as it enters. Oh! There's some nice damage from Huge.
Uh-oh, Bronco's now a sitting duck and it takes a shot from that spinning weapon with 7 ticks left. And one more shot and another, and another, and another.
Huge still working here, but looking a little flame broiled after that stretch.
Whoa! Huge showing Kraken. That blade is still active, and Kraken doing its best to stop it as well.
Looks like Kraken's gonna need some plastic surgery after this one. Oh, and Huge is getting up to full speed right now, Chris. This is gonna hit heavy.
Oh! Wow! Oh, gosh! Kraken takes more damage to its grill.
How durable is Kraken? Kraken doing a good job of staying close to the wheels.
Whoa!
There's another piece that went flying from Kraken.
Yep. Well, the hook is doing its job, but Kraken has got to go on the offensive.
Almost.
Was that the kill shot?
Wow. Let the bot battle begin.
Now, neither bot has protection on the wheels, but that's going to be way more of a problem for Mammoth.
All right, little snake.
Well, Copperhead went right into the belly of Mammoth and delivered a huge shot. Ricky Willems and Mammoth unfazed, though. Oh! Mammoth lands a solid blow to Copperhead's weapon and now punts them into the side of the box, Kenny. Mammoth can smell the opportunity. Bots lock horns and Mammoth puts Copperhead back on its heels yet again. So impressive.
Mammoth doing exactly what it's designed to do, confuse bots with its size and lure them into that spinning weapon.
Look at that reach.
Yeah, so far that launcher doing a great job of establishing the distance here, Chris.
A huge hit.
Yeah!
Wow!
Follow up.
Mammoth punch Shatter head over heels into the corner. Shatter's self-right, but Mammoth is dominating the opening stretch of this fight, Kenny. Neither bot able to really connect yet. Heads backward up on the screws, trying to work its way out. Look at that. Mammoth on the attack, trying to get its opponent outside of the box.
Ricky Willems getting it done with just one hand here.